Okay, so now we are going to set up our GL account save search to distribute on a schedule via email to a certain set of users. So we're going to start under this email subtab, and then we're going to check this send emails according to schedule box. And so you've got a couple options. The main one that I'm going to look at is like, do we want to send this if there are no results? And I'm going to uncheck that box. So basically that's saying, hey, like I don't need to send this report if there are no account changes. So we're going to set up, you can set a specific recipient. So let's say we're going to put me, I'm the controller. I want to see all of the GL accounts that are created. But let's also say that any user who is creating an account, I want their supervisor to also get this report. And so you can actually select recipients based on the results of the save search, which is pretty cool. So we're going to select user fields. And then down here, I'm going to select supervisor. We'll click add. Now we're going to add a message for our, we're going to say we'll send this quarterly, what our message will say. So we'll say, leave the from blank. The subject, I'm going to say new GL accounts for the quarter. Introduction, I'll leave blank. And then I'm going to put hi. And then here, this will let you dynamically select the name. We'll put, I think first name is available. We'll say attached is the list of new GL accounts created in the quarter. Leave it there. And then the results, we can say, hey, do we want to send this as a list within the message or as a CSV file, or Excel file, or a PDF? Or do we just want to create a link? And I'm going to say, let's send it as an Excel file. And then the last step is setting the schedule. So there's a couple options. We could set this up to be a daily event. So if you wanted to have an email every day that's sent that says, hey, here are the GL accounts created, I guess you would probably want to change this report to be daily, but you could do something like that. But in this case, I'm going to say quarterly. And so what we're actually going to do, because quarterly isn't an option, I'm going to say on a monthly event, and I'm going to say on the first day of every 3 months. So that way, I get this report on the first day of the new quarter. And then I want this to start day, and I want to send at 2 a.m. But you can select whatever time you want. And now, when I click save and run, when that start date hits, once that criteria is met, it's going to send, NetSuite will send an email to the specific user and any determined users based on the report to their inbox. And NetSuite will do this automatically. It's a really great system control that you can put in place. All right, so that is our current quarter GL account save search. I have a couple follow-up steps in the next class, so I'll see you there.